Right now we're trying to take out the parts we need for the two-wheel drive race Tacoma, which includes this front drive shaft, that front axle, the hubs. So basically, most of the front axle. And so the race truck that's all it needs to be four-wheel drive. What we're taking off of it So now we need to let the suspension go freely so he can safely get the parts that he needs out of the Tacoma, and he's putting it in another Tacoma. Now I'm looking at my go-kart. The clutch. The clutch is having problems with popping out of gear, so it runs, but it just pops into neutral whenever you're in it for more than a minute. It has TOS stickers, toyonlyswaps, and and it has a 90 horsepower rebuilt to do 110 engine, and it has the little rack. It has an electric start. It's two-seater, but me and Jack don't quite fit it together. We lubed up the jack because it wasn't working earlier. And now the suspension is hanging freely. Look what I found under the block of wood. It's probably about 4 or 5 inches long. We have it all jacked up, and the blocks of wood are now holding it all up.
Don't get under there.
This is what the FJ40 looks like now. We took it around the place, some places, and it got dirty. We went through a big mud pit. The water almost got in the FJ40. It's BFG all-terrains, and
I asked you guys about these lemon cookies, and you told me that your dad didn't even give them to you. Ate them all without you. Said he didn't. He's not so terrible after all.
to use EVA.